So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the GROW model and how to use it as a coach, or how to use it to have coaching conversations. But before I do that, I'd like to spend a few seconds just introducing the new book that I've just released. It's called Leader as Coach. And so, I'm giving it away right now, complimentary. So if you'd like to get yourself a copy, you can get the download in the link below in the description box. So, as I said, in this video, I'm going to be talking about the GROW model. I'm going to be introducing it to you and showing you how to use it effectively in coaching. Now, the GROW model is a simple yet very powerful framework for coaching conversations that can help individuals set and achieve their goals. So the GROW model stands for Goals, Reality, Options, and Way Forward. It provides a structured approach for guiding a coaching conversation. Let's explore each of the components. So let's start off with goals. The first step is to establish a clear and specific goal with the person that you're coaching. Ask questions to help them to define what they want to achieve. So the goal should be SMART, really. It should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and of course time-bound. Reality. So next is where we assess the current reality in alignment with the goal. So here we want to encourage the coachee to describe their current situation honestly. Now this step involves self-reflection and identifying the gap between where they are now and of course where they want to be. Then comes options. So once we have a good understanding of the goal and the current reality, we need to explore various options and strategies so that we can bridge the gap. So in the options part, we need to encourage brainstorming and open up the discussion for different approaches and different ideas. You can also even think about maybe discussing some of the obstacles as well. So finally, we have way forward. So here we want to help the coachee create a concrete plan of action. What steps will they take to move from their current reality towards achieving their goal? So make sure that the plan is specific and includes deadlines and of course the responsibilities they have to take. Now, let's see how you can apply the GROW model in a coaching conversation. So as we know, we start by setting goals. So start by asking questions like, what would you like to achieve? Or what is your desired outcome? Help the coachee to clarify their goal and ensure it meets the SMART criteria. The next step is reality check. So ask questions like, where are you now in relation to your goal? And what's working well and what's not working so well? Encourage the coachee to provide an honest assessment of their current situation. You can also get them to think about how motivated they are about the goal as well. So you can ask them questions like, so right now on a scale of 1 to 10, how motivated are you to achieve this goal? So moving on to generating options. So here we need to engage in brainstorming conversations or discussions. So we can ask questions like, what are some of the possible ways of overcoming this challenge? Or what steps could you take next? What resources do you need, or what support do you need? The final step is the planning the way forward. So here, help the coachee create a detailed action plan. We can ask questions like, what specific steps will you take first? Or what is your timeline for each of the actions that you're proposing? Make sure the plan is clear and of course actionable. So, to conclude, the GROW model is a valuable tool for coaching, whether you're a professional coach or simply just trying to help a friend or a colleague. It provides a structured and systematic approach to goal setting and of course problem solving. So by following this model, you can guide meaningful and productive coaching conversations that lead to both personal and of course professional growth. Remember, coaching is about facilitating the coachee's self-discovery and empowering them to take ownership of their goals. The GROW model is your roadmap to helping them along that journey.